Now, do I trust it? Let me try. Okay, it is streaming. Yay! Cool. Did Unity crash? I guess it did. Fantastic. Actually, I don't think I even need Unity anymore. Nope, I do need it. Wait, no I don't, because I think I should have the build. Okay, I do need to change it. Configure market. Actually, don't think it matters, but I want it to be this, so... Let's see if this works first try. The one will let me roll it over, thank you. Dang, it usually never takes this long to load. I wonder how many mods I have that I don't need to be installed. Or don't need to be subscribed to. I want to check, but at the same time I feel like looking at it, oh yeah, that's definitely going to be a reason why it takes so long. I need to turn that off. Well, it's only because I haven't really played the game in a long time. Like, really played it. I'm going to turn it off. I think I only had it on to update my... Or get all the... Get an updated version of Souvenir for my Souv demo. I need to redo that because I think I had a local version of Souv which didn't have the weakest link up there, which is why it's not in the vid, but that mod takes so long to solve that it just don't feel like doing it. I should probably... I've been thinking about redoing the money phase in a way so it's like consistent and you don't have to like deal with random chances of your partner getting it wrong. I'm just not sure like what I should do for that exactly. I've gotten that complaint before, but yeah. What's the name of the mod called? It's Kuro. And I should probably get... Oh, okay. That scared me for a second. And it is 12... No, not 12. 4:20 No, not right now. So 424. Okay, 425. Okay, let's see. What do we got? We got. It's 425. Should probably make this a little bigger. I wish you could, like, change the width of the game in a way that wasn't through this, so I can make the height and the width, like, custom, but whatever. Okay. So 425, it is 2 and 2. Unlit CLR, lit NSA, plate parallel, plate DVI, PS, RCA, Zulu 00, Echo Uniform 3. I do not play on this mouse, or this keyboard. Okay, I should probably have the manual up as well. That'd be a little smart, wouldn't it? Of course you're gonna open it in Chrome and not Opera, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna have it up on a separate screen so I can read it. Okay, so it's 425, highest amount of batteries, 2, indicators, tie, and ports. So we'll take ports. Add 15 minutes for each port. This include ties. I don't know what that means. When I said each port, did I mean like if there's 2 parallels, then just add 1? Like 15 minutes for each one, or just like together? I don't even know my own mod. I think I coded it to say get port count. Yeah. I'm just gonna refactor that to just say this includes ties. Let's delete that. Okay, so for each add 15 minutes for each port. So I'm just gonna say, so there we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1 hour, and then for each vowel in the serial number, subtract 1 hour. So you just have 1. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna say, plus minus 1 hour. And then for each vowel in the serial, we did that. For each consonant in the serial number, subtract 30 minutes. So 1. Oh shoot, we have 2. It's 2 vowels, and then subtract 30 minutes. So that's another hour gone. And that means we are in negative 2 hours. Right? I'm gonna assume I did that right. For each consonant. I should probably have a logging. I probably should have thought about that before I did the bomb, but whatever. Come on, that module isn't that hard to load. Here we go. Okay, so 429. 1 and 1, unlit freak, played serial, played DVI, RC. That's an RJ. Jesus Christ, RCA, RJ. Played MT Whiskey 00, Echo Papa 4. And he is devious. I don't think I need that yet, but we'll look at it for later. Okay, so take the highest battery, and it's gonna be this parallels. So that's four parallel, not parallels, 4 ports. And then add 15 minutes for each port, so that's plus 1 hour. For each vowel, subtract 1 hour. For each consonant, subtract 30 minutes. We have 1, 2, so that's another hour gone. And then that leaves us with negative 1 hour, so it is 3:29 p.m. And that means we are creating a module. I need to test this mod when it is that time. Should be creating a mod. Is that correct? Minute offset is now 60. How is it 60? Oh. Oh, it started at 60. Yeah, you're right. So it went to negative 60. Now it's 3:29. Yep, you should be eating. Eating? Did I leave debug on? Yeah, I think I left debug on. That's fantastic. Okay. I wonder if there's a way to refresh without restarting the game. Not that I know of. Okay, let's try that again. $34. Okay. Okay, 3 and 2. Lit freak. Lit NSA. Lit SND. Serial number is Romeo 12 Papa Victor 9. I hate this keyboard. I've had it for like at least a year now and I still don't know how to use it. And you are curious. Okay. Number about your highest 3, 3. And I think since it's a tie, it's the otherwise rule. At least that's what I'm reading from this. I don't think I ever stated. I'm gonna assume it's otherwise, so it's gonna be +0 since we have no ports. That's probably what I meant from that tie. But I think getting rid of it makes a lot more sense. Alright, so for each vowel, we have none. For each consonant, we have 3. So that's minus 1 hour and 30 minutes. Not the best way to describe. I'm just gonna, yeah, whatever. Doesn't really matter. And then that should take us to 3:04 p.m. Is that correct? This should not be. You shouldn't. This did not say you must look at mod ideas. Why does it say that? Alright, I'm gonna actually make a note. Things to change. Figure out why log says. I'll figure that out later. Okay, so that's wrong. Port count is not the highest. And then I'm just gonna give it all the edge work here to prove it. Okay. And then 90, so yeah, 304. Good. You should be creating a module. That is correct. That's why I say you must look at mod ideas, but that shouldn't be logged first. That should be logged after all the time shit, and it says what your job is next. And none of it is here, so we don't join Chillzone Alpha. Click on mod ideas. I thought I fixed that. That's fine. Alright. Removing that, or ignoring that, even though it's a little annoying to read. Let me verify. Okay, it's the back is fine. A boss. This should give me a strike because it's curl. But let me see what the right answer is first. Disregard any modules that have to do with needy. So we have curl, who wants a boss. Actually, I'm not even gonna figure out what curl says because I don't care about him. Solve. I'm just gonna say regular. Biking. Blaze, needy, Polish music. So, disregard anything that has anything to do with needy, so we should just be looking at this. Okay, so it should be CL, but let me just verify. Yay. Okay, what does it look like? Okay, I want to fix this first because that is tedious, but... Okay, so where is mod ideas? Way up here. Oh, okay. So I'm for some reason doing it in start. Wait, setup module. Wait, setup module is this can go away. I can keep that. What was it? It was. You must look at mod ideas. So if this is where this is logged, where is this logged? Current time. On activate. Okay. That's the issue. Because activate happens whenever the bomb... Yeah, okay. So... I really just don't want anything logged before that's done. And this can be renamed to neither indicator nor battery count were the highest. Okay, and then what do I want to do with this? Is that in start or... Okay. Yeah, I think... I think I'm gonna move all this and activate. Except the... Shit. Actually, no, this is fine. This is fine, but everything down here has to go. And I have 2 syntax errors. Why? I told you to stay up there. At least I thought I did. What are the name of these things on? Cause just find we're all Kuro. Okay. It should have been right here, right? Where did I just put the code? Where did I take the code from? I took it starting on line 83. 183. Right here. Thought I was tripping. Okay. Let's see if that works. Okay, let me do it where it's not like 100 of these things up. What sucks about debugging this module is that it's dependent on time, which I can just change my clock. But I don't want to. In the sense that I don't know if it's gonna mess anything else up, and I tend to forget to set it back. But I guess in this case I can always just change the time to be something else. And assume that I did the equation correctly that modifies the time. I originally wanted so it just always just took the time and you didn't have to modify it based on edge work, but Kuro brought up the notice that like usually people play the game at certain hours in which you'll probably just get the same rules and never experience something else. Because like I think what did I say the earliest rule is? What, like 9 o'clock a.m.? Yeah, I don't know who's playing KTANE at 9 a.m., but I know there's at least one person who does. Okay. Okay, so got data successfully I know is a something from, but it was originally up here. Yeah. This. What? That got called before on activate? Or after on activate? I guess since I'm in the test harness, it's not really surprising. Whatever. What are you doing? Oh. 1747. What the fuck did I do? Oh, battery count. Okay. I'm gonna take your word for it. Battery count. No, I kind of want to I want to test it in game. Even though it's like, it's the exact same thing. I don't know, it just makes more sense to me to do that. Even if it does take a while for me to transfer everything over and for it to load. I think once I get this like right 5 times, I'm gonna call it. Or maybe I'll change my time to test other things, but I think I tested pretty. I thought I did this. Whatever. I think I tested it pretty well in Unity itself. There's probably some things I missed and something the beta testers will find. Yeah, I forgot to do that. I should probably do that now. Oh, that's an exception. No reference. Where? Oh, okay. Oh, that's annoying. Wait. Redo that. So, it's Monday. You should be... and then get task, which is called where? On activate. And on activate is... Because this all assumes that the thing was set up first, and so that means that I need to move this code. No? Alright, what line was the issue on? On bomb Kuro modules, which is called where? Where is it initialized? Equals new, right here. Which is called in start. I don't think it's wrong for me to assume that on bomb modules is initialized before on activate, at least like in a regular bomb. So, but changing it means that everything is gonna break in the sense that I can't test this in the test harness because it's gonna throw an except, or it's not gonna populate correctly. Which is stupid. I don't understand. Actually. What if I... Because the really only reason why I moved it down here was because of the logging. But what if I make it so... No, that'd be a stupid idea. I was gonna say, what if I make it so the logging doesn't, like, it's delayed until it activates, but... That seems dumb. I don't see anything wrong with doing all this stuff on activate. AIOU. I mean... I could make it so I just do everything on activate and not do anything on start. It sounds gross, honestly. But like if it works, it works. I just know start is a coroutine or an IE numerator. Why do I have it as an... Oh yeah, because I was loading stuff. That's why I wanted to do it in start, so it would load immediately. It really doesn't make sense why on activate happens before on start. It just doesn't to me. And I don't want to make activate an enumerator. But I'm just gonna bite the bullet, and if it bites me later, then I'll just test in the... I'll test in the game for that rule. I know I'm gonna hate it later though. It just doesn't make sense. Why is activate being called before start? I just don't... Like, I get it, you don't have anything else to load, but like... I don't know, I didn't make KTANE, I didn't make the mod kit, whatever. It's a stupid fucking rule though. Okay, should be easy to fix. I thought I fixed this. This is mod ideas. So is this a... It's our text meshes. Which means I need to refactor, which I need to steal from repo requests. Which means I'm gonna get errors, but we'll deal with that in a minute. Do this. Delete this. Yes, it will break the prefab, I know. And then this is mod ideas, so I need to refactor... the component. Then... Okay. Request.text. Yay. And then give it a text. And that should be it. Did I get it right first try? Or you can just... break. Steam, please move. Thank you. Okay. Oh, I know what the issue is. Should be the Z. Okay. What else did I say I wanted to do? I fixed that. I fix this, technically, even though I don't like how I fixed it. What? Okay, first of all, let me just commit what I just did. Fix, modded, ideas, text wrapping. And then let me test what happens when there are mods that Kuro did on the bomb. Let's see what happens. If this doesn't work, I don't know what they'll do. I don't know what they'll do. I don't know what I'll do. It says I must look at mod ideas, which is incorrect if I remember correctly. Let me see. Yeah. So, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I want to fix this now so I don't have to deal with this later. This is bullshit. I could just wait. I think I might just wait. I'm just gonna steal all of this. I'll put it back where it came from. Actually, I can just check. It's like I can do the loading here and start. And then just get all the mods from the JSON thing. It's not like I need to get the actual mods there. Cause when does when does it call the curl mod things? I think I still have the exception. I do not still have the exception, unfortunately. Where the heck? Okay, on activate, and then it calls it somewhere in here. Probably not play KTANE. Create module. Yeah, right here. So I can just wait. It shouldn't take that long to load, respectfully. And you have a triangle. Why do you have the triangle? Why do you have the triangle? Oh, probably because it takes a while to load. I hope this doesn't break everything, and it looks like it breaks something. Yippee. Oh, wait, no, I could just do a start coroutine. Maybe I was tripping. Maybe I was tripping just a little bit. Just a smidgen. Because this should theoretically work. It's not necessarily how I want things to be done, but it should work. Okay. Well, I clicked something and it broke. That's fun. Please, 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 please. Yay! Alright, so if I solve something, you should give me a strike. Yes, great, cool. And then if I try to leave right now, you should give me a strike. Yay, cool. Yay. Okay. Now, does this work when I don't have any mods? Or any other Kuro mods? Yay, cool. And he doesn't like needy, so it should be this one. Yeah. Excuse me. Fix on activate. Fix logging order, I'll say. Actually, let me verify what it is in game. It's for some reason easier to look at the log in game. Well, not for some reason. I'd rather look at one single thing than read through all of these. I just wish my game was faster. Or rather, my loading was faster. I probably can't even do test mod ideas anymore unless I get really lucky with the edge work because of the timing. No, I don't feel like doing math right now. What do I need to do? I did not turn off debug mode. Whatever, that's fine for now. I should actually test out. I'm actually gonna test out what I need to do. Wait, why is it so high? Oh, the amount of batteries. What the game looks like when I have some Kuro's mods. Let's do procedural maze, because I don't know how to solve any of Kuro's mods. And I think that one's probably the easiest to brute force. Chill Zone Alpha. Did I say Chill Zone Alpha? Yeah, okay, cool. And if I solve this... Is it gonna regenerate? Oh, that's... Thank you, Kuro. I wish I had TP installed right now. Oh, that's annoying. Okay. You never heard of chunking, man? Like, couldn't just put a space in between every 3 things? Okay, what about Shy Guy says? That should be easy with log. At least I hope it is. Left, right, left, right, right. Oh, This is getting LFA. Left. Left. Right. Yeah, this is getting LFA. I'm putting this in the server right now. Okay. I guess I'm not done with contain yet. I was gonna just have to be my last mod. 1 second. Right, left, left. Left, left. Yay, and I got a strike. Cool. That worked to send it. Cool. And I could leave. Yeah, I was gonna have this be my last mod. And then I was gonna be done with contain at least modding wise, but I think I'll stay. I could have just used this. No, this is a little hard to read. Whatever. I might get the SUV support. Can only be like what phase? Not what phase. What mood was Kuro in? But I don't think all mods really care, or all... I think only 2 stages really care. Anyway. I'm still in debug mode, aren't I? Yeah, I am. Let's turn that off. I will say the logging for Shy Guy said isn't bad. It's just when I want a fast answer, I don't want to read all this crap. I need to get a strike to see how it looks, but doesn't look too bad. Not compared to my other things I have done for LFA. I have a lot of tabs open. The life of a developer. I was on the phone. I did not know they were going to talk that long. I apologize. Okay, so we solve the Shy Guy Says, and then move on. If I get this beta testing done, I can probably start Twitch plays. Which I really wasn't planning to be in the original module. Or at least the initial release. Please don't crash. Okay. There we go. Uh-oh. Now that's what these do. Oh wait, I'm supposed to have these both on. Okay, what is this? Should be eating. Okay, Kuro is happy. And so, what do you want to do when you're happy? I think you want to spend with the most amount of people. Yeah. So, here.
Kuro wants eggs.
Okay, you want eggs. Great. I don't know why I made this mod. Why that section. Okay. And then there's bed. And then there's playing KTANE, which we might get. Seven. It's not too late. Oh, okay. I'm not solving this mod again. It works. I just realized if I do Twitch plays, how am I gonna make it so, like, for example, if someone cues Shy Guy Says first, it doesn't give them a strike. God damn, that's shiny. I don't know. I'll think about it later. Oh, you want to play KTANE? Let me verify that's right. I'm like 90% sure I got it. I got the checking of time correct, but I want to verify. Okay, 5:25. And then, so it's 1 and 1. No, that's not 1 and 1. It's 4 and 3, a bob, an empty plate, Tango 5, 7, November, Tango 7, and then what's the what do we need? Highest 4. Yeah, I don't even need to look. Add what, an hour for each battery, so that's 9:25. I'm gonna say plus 4 hours. And then for each vowel in the serial number, subtract 1 hour. We have no vowels. For each consonant, subtract 30 minutes. So that's 1, 2. No, that's not 2. 2, 3. So it's an hour and 30 minutes, which is. So it's 8:25 and then 8:55? No, 7:55. I'm so smart. Cool. And then you should be playing KTANE, which is 19. Yeah. And then you want to play KTANE, so join modded. And then join voice text modded. I would like to diffuse, I would like to expert, and then so Piccolo. I'm gonna say pick and play. Which one wants to diffuse? I'm just gonna mark them with a D. And what does Kuro want to do? Kuro wants to, he's neutral, so he would like to. He would like to diffuse. Oops, okay. So, Sierra system, make sure anyone whose last 2 rows, Mar and Hazel always have scored a skull. Okay, so, today is Monday, so you have a -3. And play has a -2. No, it's not negative, that's just regular 2. So play would like to actually remember that was E. None of them are curl. And I don't modify it anyway, so that should be fine. It's a tolerance of -3. And then wait. Why would I? You see 2 people. If Kuro's happy or nurture, he would like to diffuse. Otherwise, he would like to expert. If Curl bot no. Otherwise, figure how much you tolerate. If the person you tolerate more prefers the same role as you, which they do not, you should pick diffuse. Oh, I see the issue. I know the issue. I did order by, which goes in descending. Let me verify that. I think by default it goes to ascending. But if that's my only bug with this, that's pretty impressive. Source elements, yeah, ascending order. Okay, so order by descending. Or I could just pick last. Oh wait, so do that. Fix the logging. I didn't even, did I fix the logging? I forgot to check. You press modded alpha. Piccolo and Play have joined the call. Kuro like to fuse. Piccolo would like to defuse with accidents. Hey, you should. Yeah, that's not right. But this minute offset is 240. That's good. Alright, I need to play KTANE again. No, actually, this won't make a difference because they're all on the same bomb. Oh, playing KTANE, so it doesn't matter. Yippee, great. So you are neutral, so you want to defuse. Okay, who do you like more? Actually, I'm gonna test these all right now. Actually, I'm gonna test one at a time and then... Wait.
Huh?
What? I thought I fixed that! Oh my goodness. That's so annoying. Okay, we'll figure out that later. Okay, so Mar... You want to defuse, so it's Mar... And I know Mar has a thing, a skull. And who was the other person? I know they were also part of the Sierra system. Kit. You like to defuse. And Kit has a thing of expert, and you... Was it Mar and Hazel? I don't remember the order. Yeah, I was Mar and Hazel. So wait, hang on. Where's my notepad? So Kit definitely is more preferred. So you should pick defuse. If I can get to the bomb. Great. Now, why did you give me this strike? Blaze and Crowbot joined the call. Can't leave the call yet. Are you dumb? Now I gotta turn debug mode back on. So if debug, thank you. This doesn't matter. Yes, it. Actually, yeah, this doesn't matter. I want the desired task. This one. Play KTANE. And then just wait until. Actually, let me look at the code that says you must join. Yada yada yada. This code's a mess. Okay, so where the fuck is this code? It's playing KTANE, so it should be on modded alpha. No, the code I'm looking for specifically is on call end or on something like call end call. All right. All right, so if the current location is not voice text modded, which is not true, or the vert location is not voice text modded and the role is not none, so what is the correct role when I press that? Oh. Wait, no. This is false. Because the thing is voice text modded. I don't know. Let me just run in and see what happens. It does not take this long to load, man. Thank you. Here we go. What the fuck? It is none. Oh, I wish my breakpoints were working, but for some reason I cannot access them when I'm modding KTANE, which is rather annoying. But whatever. I'll just do it this way, even though it's inefficient. It'll be done. So, is the problem A, or is the problem... I did not tell you to build. Please. Please don't. Thank you. Yeah, I know. Console log A. Not console log. Debug log A. Debug log B. I love doing this. A. A is true and B is false. How is A true? Do I not set it to be on voice text modded? I don't. Okay. And that line should fix everything. Come on, stop loading, please. Thank you. Don't care, don't care, don't care. Damn, Kuro, why are you in everything? Kuro. Jesus Christ, got unlucky as hell. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. There we go. And... okay, which one I know? A is still true. Why? A is still true. Current location equals voice text modded. Oh, I have that at the end anyway, so what's the issue? Current text location is voice text modded. I am confused. Why should it be something very simple? It usually is. Current text location does not equal voice text modded. How is that true? I don't get it. How is that? I mean, how is that? Yeah, how is that true? Did I put in the wrong thing? I think I... No, I'm very confused right now. I feel like I shouldn't need to do all this, but I guess I do. It's annoying. Oh boy, kill me now. Nope. 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 Unfortunate. 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 Fortunate. Fortunate. Nope. Nope. This is really sad. Okay, I got very unlucky. There we go. Jesus Christ. Oh, because the text location is none. Why? Why is the current text location none? This is why I wish I had... Because he literally the only time this... Like, where'd it go? This isn't called. This isn't called. This isn't called. I'm so annoyed right now. So literally, since this is the last item or the last line in the method, it has to be changed somewhere else. Also, I forgot to fucking... Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. Because this isn't getting called until the button is clicked and I'm pressing it way before. Oh my god, so I'm fixing a bug that doesn't exist. Oh my god. Okay. Is it still running? Yeah, let's just change it. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Yeah, that was never a bug. Fantastic. I don't think I have any bugs. Please push. Right, and we'll do 5 in a row, and if it works, then I will move this to beta testing, and then I will work on the modeling. Wish factory was working so I can use that, but I guess not. I'm not gonna test this because it seems to be working fine. Alright, you want to do what? What do you want to do? Eat? Eat, yeah. Happiness goes to Chill Zone Charlie.
Kuro wants eggs.
Eggs. Why the fuck is this one not working? Oh my god. Okay. I love beta testing, I love beta testing, I love beta testing, I love beta testing. Close others. And then go to if debug. And then do, what is it? Eat, 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 eat. And then let's see, did I just mess up the order?
Kuro wants eggs.
I don't know why this one is not being clicked on.
Kuro wants eggs. Kuro wants pasta.
Huh? Huh?
Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants eggs.
I genuinely don't know what's going on here. I probably alt-tabbed or like, let me refresh and see what happens. I think I did alt-tab, I don't know.
Huh? Huh?
What do you want to do? You really don't want to eat, don't you? You want to play KTANE, fantastic. I already know this works, so I don't know why I'm testing it.
Kuro wants a fab lolly. Kuro wants pasta. Kuro wants a fab lolly.
I do not know if this bug has anything to do with me, or if it just happened to be the...
Kuro wants a fab lolly.
See, it happened again, and I think it's because I went out of the whatchamacallit, the frame. Let me try one more time. Devious.
Huh?
Fuck. You are neutral, so you want 2 people.
Kuro wants a fab lolly.
No, it's always this one. Why is it always the second one?
Huh?
Curious.
Kuro wants a fab lolly.
So this one just doesn't want to work for some reason. Interesting. And do I have that in the... What the f... Alright, do I need to look at the KTANE server and see? I guess I need to... write a message in mod creation, because I don't know what the hell is going on. Well, this is Z fighting nonsense, but that doesn't really make a lot of sense if it's working in the test harness.
Kuro wants X.
Let me look at... Actually, did it throw an exception at all? No. Okay. I actually don't even think I need a picture. Has anyone had experience Let me verify that the prefab is up to date, because that might be an issue. Because if that's frozen, then that explains why it's not working. Which happens a lot. Actually, you're not even on the prefab, so let's fix that. And then let's build and see if that fixes it. And then I'll ask contain the server. One last time, hopefully. Please be happy.
Huh?
Nope, okay. Well, you are happy, but you don't want to eat. You're angry. There we go.
Kuro wants a fab lolly.
Okay. I don't...
Huh? Huh?
And let me just verify that the prefab's up to date. Yep, 608. Yep, okay. Plop that in there. Don't know why you had to be so far back.
Kuro wants pasta.
Yep, that works perfectly fine. Okay, so let's see. Alright, has anyone experienced a bug once it came out selectable does not work? Does not trigger. Actually, I know it's probably not my fault, but I want to check anyway. Well, that's probably an issue. Yeah, that'll probably do it. And then... Okay, save, apply, save, and then press F6. Close the game. Fucking hate how many wires around me. I could have better cable management, but I'm not sure how to do that. You are what, happy? Okay. And you just didn't play a sound, which means you probably ran into an exception. No.
Huh?
Okay. Any particular reason why? If the debug is true, then do eat great.
Kuro wants eggs.
Okay. Let's okay. Let's see if this works in game. I just don't understand why it's hanging now, but it's not throwing an exception.
wants eggs.
Oh, thank God. Jesus Christ. Okay. I think, regardless of what I get done now, the mod is in a functional state. So I'm gonna beta test this and then like 5 more times, and if I get no more bugs, I think I'm gonna stop right now and then work on modeling off stream. I would do it on stream, but it's so boring that I need some form of entertainment, enrichment, if you will.
Kuro wants a fab lolly.
I really just want to test sleeping, or going to bed rather. Sleeping. Did I move it over? I did, okay. I tested playing KTANE. The only thing I haven't tested is maintaining the repo, which there's no way for me to really test right now. But I remember testing it pretty frequently on the other thing. If it doesn't work, then I can just wait till someone reports a bug with it. Anyway. What am I doing? I'm gonna assume that I need to eat. How'd I know?
Kuro wants pasta.
This is such a dumb mod. But it's really helpful, but like not in the way it's supposed to usually think of it. You're curious, you're able to join. Curious, whatever.
Kuro wants pasta.
I did turn off debug mode, correct? Yes. Alright, I'm gonna assume it's right. I mean, I tested them all besides bed, but that's literally just... It should be the same as it is in the test harness, so... I'm gonna build this. And then I'm gonna... Okay. I'm gonna build this one more time, because I don't trust myself. And then I'm going to take said build. Wait till it's finished. Great. And then I'm just gonna... Not that. Plop this in here. Actually... Put it right here. So put it right here, thank you. And then rename this to manual. I need to actually give them the manual because... Actually, no, it's a PDF. It'll be fine. This is the HTML. I'm an idiot. Okay, so let's rename that back to Kuro. And then we'll take this, put this here, delete this because I don't know why I still have this. And then make sure that it looks correct. Cool. Zip this up. Go to mod creation.